In today's video, we're going to look at Capcut and how to edit the videos with keyframes to zoom in and out. Okay, so open up Capcut, and for this tutorial, we'll just choose one of the stock videos here. So I'm going to choose this one of this panda. So now what you do is you just move your player head to wherever you want it to zoom in. So let's say I've zoomed in here, and then you click the video, and these tabs, this taskbar here pops up. So you click on basic, and there's one that says adjustment, and beside it is a diamond shape, and that's a keyframe. So let's just click on that. So a keyframe would appear here. Now then let's just move it a bit here, and let's say I want to zoom it to here. So now we go back and we click the keyframe the second time, and this time, since we're going to zoom, we will move this up here, and I will do that. Okay, and that's it. So there is something more to be done, but for now let's just see how this is going to work out. Right, so let's close that. Let's bring it back here. Let's adjust this back, and then let's play. So when you play it, you can see that it zooms in. Now, but if you see, it zoomed in and it's not going back to the original size. So that's because you need to add another keyframe. Now, if you want it to be like this, that's fine. But if you want it to go back to the original size, so what you do is you go back to your player head here, right? And then you move it to, let's say, just beside that second keyframe. Now you go to basic. Now you bring back to 100%, how it was before, or to whatever percentage you want. So I'm going to bring it back to 100%. So now if you play it, it zooms in and it quickly zooms out. Now let's say you want it to zoom out gradually. So what you can do is move this, the second keyframe here, you just move it a bit here, till about here. So now when we play it, if you see, just now was quite fast, right? So when we play it, it zooms in and it zooms out again at a slower pace. And that's how you add the keyframe. Now you can add more keyframes and have it zoom in as well. And there are other features as well that you can actually add in. But for this tutorial, it's to show you how to zoom in and out of CapCut using keyframes. The other way is, this is where you want the zoom in. So what you can do is, if you go to your left hand side, and you can go at effects. Now when you go to effects, there's a whole load of effects that you can put in here. Okay, so, but since today's tutorials on zoom lens, you click on zoom lens up here. If you can't see it, then you type in here zoom lens. Okay, and this is what's going to come up. So let's just look for a slow zoom. Now this is the fast zoom. Remember I was saying, now this is a slow zoom. So let's try the fast zoom and just put it, just click it. So once you click it, it comes here. And if you were, let's say, to play this now from just before the zoom, it zooms in and it quickly zooms out. Now you can adjust this. If you go down here, you can adjust it to a shorter zoom. So now when we play it, and it goes back to the original, but it's a shorter zoom. Now you can also make it longer again like before, and you will see how it is. It stays there longer. So this is how you add keyframe, or you can go and use the effect, which is a quicker way of doing it if you want to do it quickly, or and you know exactly what you want to do with your video. Okay, bye.